Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the display icon to your Mac's menu bar, perfect for quick access to brightness settings, screen mirroring, and display options. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks for your support! Alright, let's begin. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left and scroll down until you find Control Center. Click on it. Now scroll down the list until you see Display. By default, it might be set to Don't Show in Menu Bar. Click the drop-down next to Display and choose Always Show in Menu Bar. That's it. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see the display icon. Clicking it gives you quick access to brightness controls, night shift, and options for external displays. Super convenient, right? If this video helped, give it a like, leave a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. See you in the next one.